Hello and welcome to ERP Gold. In this video, ERP Gold CRM menu will be discussed. In the CRM menu, user can view the dashboard, create or view the existing leads, import or export the leads from CSV file into ERP Gold. User can also set up the lead source and lead status. User can view the existing lead source by clicking lead source menu and can add new lead source by clicking the add lead source at the top. User can view the existing lead status by clicking lead status menu and can add lead status by clicking the add lead status button at the top. On the CRM dashboard, user can see different charts and graphs based on date range filters, lead statuses, and assignees differentiated by colors. In the lead section, user can view the existing leads, add new leads, delete or update the existing leads, and can convert the leads to customer. User can retrieve the specific leads by selecting values provided at the top in filters. Clicking the Add Lead button will open up the new form to add lead. User will input the required information to add new lead and will click the Save button. In case of successful transaction, lead will be added to grid. User can add note to new or existing lead to follow up. Clicking the Add Note will open form to input information in the follow-up note. By clicking the follow-up button, user can view the calendar. On clicking the Advanced View button, user can view the lead's detailed information. User can also perform the actions by selecting single or multiple records in the leads. User can also convert leads to customer by clicking Convert to Customer button present at the bottom of existing lead. After successful conversion, user can view that customer in Sales section. In the Import or Export menu, user can import the leads by selecting CSV file from system and attaching into ERP Gold. That's how the ERP Gold CRM menu works. Thank you for watching.